Oh, hey guys. Didn't see you there. My name's Spencer. This is TopLineRacer. I'm a fat ginger, and I bought this '06 Duramax from Whistlin Diesel to ride his coattails all the way to the top. In the last episode, we got the cab and bed pretty much straightened up to be like brand new. But this week we are focusing on all the mechanical issues that the truck might have. We're going to go over the suspension. We're going to put a new set of wheels and tires on because, spoiler alert, those dualies will fall off as you're driving down the road. Then we're going to take the truck up to HT Performance in Middleburg, Pennsylvania. You'll find that link down below. They specialize in Duramax stuff, and they're awesome guys. They're going to put it up on the lift, and we're really going to get underneath this thing and check out what all we need to do before it's roadworthy. And just as a little hint of things you're going to see in the video, we did get a new set of wheels and tires put on the truck, just some sort of junky ones from a Dodge 2500. They were a nightmare because we had to get all sorts of different spacers, 1/2 inch in the front, 2 inch in the rear, just to make them work whatsoever, because these tires are so much wider than the stock Chevy ones would be, and you can't clear tie rods or anything. So now let's take a look back in time at some of the things we looked at over this past week, fixed, and other things that we got to fix in the future. Up against the popcorn machine.
Naturally. You already got your lugs handy?
Yeah. Well, we just got sad news for the night, and that is that tie rod is tight against the tire, which I thought might be a problem, and it is. So we're going to actually go. We got it pretty much wrapped up here. We got a few more things we want to do, but we're going to go get some fuel. We had to take the tires off. I didn't really even film that because those ones obviously rubbed on the tie rod. And then we're not going to come back here. We're actually going to go to my house. This isn't my house. And then we're going to finish up there because I got some other parts and stuff there. So we're going to see how it goes on the highway.
Just going to go put all of our legal documentation in the glove box in case we get pulled over. We've got license and registration right there.
So it's middle of the night, we got some warning lights. The glow plugs make sense. ABS, service brake system, I think that's probably all part of the rollover. And there's no like wheel sensors plugged in on this thing at all. Like I can't even, like the wires are snipped either really short or there just isn't any, I have no idea. But there's none visible anyways. And we got a left rear door ajar and some other stuff, but actually, she seems to be running pretty good. All right, we're down like sort of toward town now, where there's a little bit better lighting so you can actually see that we are moving. And we're doing, well, you can't quite see, but we're doing about 30 right now. And she's actually driving all right. There is a lot of clunking in the suspension. That's the truth. I mean, you might be able to hear it here when we stop. Yeah. Yeah, there's some noises. All right, we're like a quarter mile down the road here, and we are losing the wheel. That is for sure happening. Luckily, we have all the tools with us. So, yeah. All right, so we made it to the fueling stop here, but this wheel was loose. The other wheel came loose on the way, as you saw, and so we just got to get, these ones are fine. The new ones are fine. Otherwise, seems to drive just fine. Like, honestly, it drives straight, and there's really no issues. So that's really what we got to look out for. So with the exception of the wheel falling off almost, and I think all of the suspension is disconnecting from itself. Because like, look at this ball joint. I don't think it's supposed to be lifting up like that. Like generally they're, I mean, I've never seen like how the kryptonite ones work, but it sure seems like that guy should be like crimped down here a little bit. So we're going to try to tighten that stuff down. But no, it really ran like perfect. Drove straight. Tranny shifted perfect. It definitely was just the mass airflow sensor the other day. Engine was awesome. So let's snug this stuff down so we don't die.
Where'd you get the TLR hoodie?
Link down below. Teespring. I don't have to lose the hat.
Where'd you get the hat?
The store Boss Cobb's, just department store. It was somebody's give it to me. I think it was like $3.
Nice. Plug the merch.
Plug the merch. Oh yeah.
You need some snugging? A little loose?
Oh, not even. I mean, like.
I'm actually watching it physically pull down.
Yeah.
That's satisfying.
I'm glad we drove here on this.
Okay, that was just. I think that was just hand tighten.
Yeah. We should not have driven. We need a cotter pin stat.
I don't think I have one.
Oh, yeah. How do you feel about the shock on like a 1 to 10?
It's got a small dent in it. Stunning imperfection. By the way, I did watch my first video today on how to swing a sledgehammer. There actually is. You know, I was swinging it, now that I looked at my form, a little more like a baseball bat. And you know what? Like, I don't even know if it was proper baseball bat form, but it was not
Proper
sledgehammer form.
It was closer to baseball. Alright, so we've gone further in the truck than we've ever gone before. Running along. That speedometer can't be right. We're not running 70. But we're probably running 50. And it is freezing. It is just cold. The windows are kind of up, but not really. The heat does work pretty well. But I'm cold. And we have about another 20 minutes left on this drive. But it is running good. The wheels are not coming loose like before. And just like that, we made it to HT Performance. I don't know where they want us exactly, but I'm gonna pull up over here. So we got some trucks way nicer than mine out there in here. I'm gonna put her up on the lift here, just check over underneath, a little better than we could do at home, and kind of see what else we need to do.
Is that the bottom one? Okay, that could explain the looseness in the front end.
Sensors are cut off. The diffs broke.
Yeah, it's that rear mount.
Yeah, it's gonna need a center section of the diff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cherry. It needs universals real bad. Probably from all the burnouts.
I thought I felt a pretty good vibration.
Honestly, the drive shaft should honestly be lengthened a little bit too.
Okay.
It needs a new transfer case output seal. Transfer case seal. Other than that, from the abuse you put it through.
So you saw some of the videos then?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a good transmission. Eric's pretty good.
So, I mean, for the price, it seemed like it had enough work done to it that you couldn't really go wrong.
Stuff like that. I mean, you'd have like $5,000 in a decent transmission anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a rough country lift. We don't really try to run them on any of our Poland or performance trucks because the way they run the spacers.
Okay.
So, like that spacer. That one.
Yeah.
They're junk. I mean, you get a body shop to fix that. I'm sure there's somebody out there that would do it.
There's somebody out there that would be crazy enough to try it. New cab or swap into my old one is my idea, but we've not fully decided. But I am leaning more towards just getting a new cab for this one and going.
Well, I got a guy that has like literally all the body parts.
Okay. Yeah, I'll have to get that stuff from you.
Got the codes up there. So it's just these two?
Well, it's
There, okay, we got
there too. It's 2 inch thicker.
nothing too serious though, doesn't
Where's that plugging at?
Right here.
But it's all busted up or
Yeah,
whatever.
all the module, the pins are all bent
Oh,
over and
jeez.
the plug's busted off of it.
And that was the one for the air sensor or air.
No, that's the glow plug one.
Oh, that's a glow plug. That's a glow plug module.
The air sensor's supposed to be in the wire
Okay.
part, but it doesn't. Here's the
The glow plug modules, are they like VIN
plug is
specific or anything, or
supposed
just grab another glow plug module and plug
there's
it
an
in?
intake sensor.
You gotta get okay.
not just this year.
Okay, but-
WZLOI.
Okay, but it doesn't need to be programmed like
yeah.
a ECM or.
Yeah, you got the injector flow rates are in it.
Okay, all right. So we reprogram when we get one of those. Okay.
I mean, it'll just have codes for it.
Yeah, I got you. All right.
So this is the one, man.
But she's put different.
Oh, jeez.
But it's all hydraulic steering. We don't run a fast pump. It's Waterman gear driven. 14 millimeter race pump, 12 millimeter pump. We did all the A lines, built it ourselves. Custom water air goes over there. That's out of it right now. And the turbo custom mount sits here in the velocity stack. Turbo's here, and it feeds up into the water air, and the water air kicks over and feeds through that. And the radiator air is actually in the cab.
Okay.
So, we have a hand throttle for it. It's all hand throttle. It's got remote oil and everything like that. So.
Pretty awesome. There's a number. Contact them. And we have left the shop, but we are going to a parts place that might have some cabs. We actually got a lead from the guys at HD Performance about some parts not too far away. So we're gonna swing up there, see if we can find a cab. It's not a full truck or anything, which we really like. We'd like to get a full truck that just doesn't run or something, but because we need a differential too, which is something else we got to put on the list. But they have all the body parts pretty much there, they said, so we're going to check out, see what condition wise they are. All right, so got a whole lineup of cabs here, and we got a red one. It's a Chevy, I think. She's hit pretty good, this one here. Like, I don't think you're, yeah, that guy's not too bad actually. This has solid rockers.
That's what I was worried about most, was solid rockers.
That one's real nice. This is pretty clean.
I like this one.
Oh, and it's got the right interior. Okay. Feel those rockers, see how they are. Yeah, it actually feels. Yeah, that feels okay underneath. Seat's not terrible. It's not great, but it's not terrible, but it's the right color and everything. I mean, I don't think we're going to end up doing the Regency. Steering wheel's nice. No. All right.
All right, we got a little bit of flaking under here.
A little bit, okay.
Looks relatively.
Okay.
Again, it's
just starting. I mean, they need replaced probably, but cab corners are pretty decent. Same deal over here, just flaking. Just flaking. Not terrible though.
Yeah, I think wire wheel it and probably.
I think you're gonna end up replacing them, but all right, cool.
Okay, your rockers are wrong on this. I mean, been patched and
everything.
You know, so it is brand new rockers for sure on that.
Cab corners aren't the well, no, they're bad.
Yeah,
okay.
These have all been replaced.
Yeah, they have.
So,
which is, I mean, it's not the end of the world.
All right, so whichever one has a nicer interior.
Don't have it officially worked out yet, but I think we're going to be getting one of those two cabs. Definitely the interior out of that one truck. Not sure if we're taking the 1500 HD cab or the 2500. And then there's actually a bed that's like brand new up there that I didn't film, and I think we're going to end up with that as well. All right, back in the driveway now. Just got back from HT Performance. And really, that appointment went as well as possible, considering the abuse that this truck's been through, which is pretty extensive. It pretty much needs all of the suspension components, other than the newer Kryptonite control arms and the tie rod ends from D-Max. But ball joints, wheel bearings, the rear differential is locked up, the front differential has a bent output shaft, and a broken off tab in the rear, so that's not great. And just generally, probably everything needs replaced underneath of it. But engine, transmission both look great, like no issues at all, other than we have a broken off plug for the glow plugs, and then where the linkage goes into the transmission is leaking fluid out, but they can replace that pretty easily, not a big deal. So overall, it mechanically, other than like, you know, safety steering wise, got a very good bill of health. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.